Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to import my W-2 to TurboTax Easy Guide. Open TurboTax and go to the Income section, then choose Add W-2. Use the employer EIN or employer name to locate the W-2 and follow prompts to import securely. Check totals match your paper W-2, correct any fields, and accept the import to save time and avoid manual entry errors. Finish by reviewing your return. If TurboTax cannot find your W-2, stay calm and try a few checks that usually fix the issue. Confirm the employer name and EIN exactly match the paper W-2 and retry the import. If the tool still fails, choose manual entry and type values from your paper W-2 carefully. Always verify wage and withholding boxes and save frequently so you do not lose progress while completing your return. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more clear tax videos. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with smart tax habits. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Protect your data by importing W-2s only on secure networks and trusted devices to prevent unauthorized access. After import, download or screenshot a copy of the W-2 within TurboTax so you have a local record. Take advantage of TurboTax autofill and review tools to reduce typing mistakes and catch mismatches early. If you have multiple jobs, import each W-2 separately and confirm totals on your final return before filing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.